Of all the marketing platforms you have available to you to get new clients for your consulting business, there is one that allows you to use the power of content marketing, social media, and paid advertising in a way that actually compounds, because nobody likes making a post that disappears in 48 hours. So timestamps below, along with some other helpful links and resources, including a link to our sales funnel playbook and template bundle to create your own lead generation machine. Now, when it comes to what platform gives us all of these strategies into one, it's of course what you're on right now, YouTube. Now, before you click away like, I hate YouTube, I don't want to make a bunch of videos, just hear me out. When it comes to organic, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. That means your potential customers and clients are already here and already searching for answers to their questions, and they might as well get the answers from you and learn more about your products and services. And so when it comes to leveraging YouTube from an organic perspective, before we talk about advertising or social media posts, when it comes to creating content, you really only need 5 or 10 videos. You don't have to make hundreds of videos to position yourself as an authority or expert. You just need 5 to 10 strategic videos that answer specific questions for your ideal customer, because spoiler alert, the types of videos you make and to generate leads are completely different than the types of videos all the other creators are making to try and grow their channel and make an income off of YouTube. And so there is still an opportunity here for you to make videos because number one, your competitors are scared of making videos. And number two, your customers are already here. So link in the cards and the description to a super deep dive guide that goes through the 3 different types of videos you should be creating. And again, you only need 5 or 10 and you're good to go. You're going to rank here a lot faster than trying to do SEO and try to blog for Google because the competition there is so high and you don't want to go to the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok route where you have to constantly make new social media posts because people are just endlessly scrolling and your post is going to disappear in the next 48 hours. Now, even if you don't want to make content for YouTube, when it comes to paid advertising, there of course is one platform that still allows you to get in front of people for just a couple dollars per click, just a couple pennies per view, and a lot of your competitors are still not here. And of course, that's YouTube again. So even if you don't want to make content videos, you can make simple 90-second videos that pop up in front of other videos that your ideal customer is watching. Yes, they're annoying, but guess what? They work, they convert like crazy, and you can actually have a lot of targeting options because it's using the Google Ads platform. So you can go and actually target people based upon what they just searched on Google. So if someone just searched, plumber near me, you can have your ad show up in your local area to people who are actively looking for your particular products or services. So if someone recently went over to Google and typed consulting for fill in your niche or industry, you can tell YouTube ads, hey, show my ad to all those people who are actively looking for my product and service. And so you have a tremendous amount of targeting options that are not available on other platforms like Facebook or Instagram, where you have to use interruption-based marketing, right? People aren't actively looking for your solution, they're just mindlessly scrolling. Plus, on YouTube, when you pay 10 to 15 or even 30 cents for a view, that's at least 30 seconds of someone's attention. Whereas on Facebook, you're paying when someone just is swiping up and they saw your ad for 2.5 seconds, right? And they didn't actually watch it. They weren't really paying attention. So YouTube is a great place to start running ads and it's still dirt cheap. You can get views for less than 10 cents a view and you can actually start growing your email list or booking strategy calls for around $5 to $10. Of course, it's just going to depend upon your niche or industry. So link in the cards in the description to a deep dive guide that goes through how to create YouTube ads. It includes a formula, 90 seconds script, so you don't have to worry about what on earth do I say. And as you can see here, my setup is pretty simple. And my first successful YouTube ads, I just used my phone and the setup looked a lot more plain than this because when you're jumping through Airbnbs, traveling as a digital nomad, you don't really have a lot of options in terms of how nice your background looks. So you don't need a nice studio when it comes to creating your ads or creating content. Now, irrespective of what you decide to do with content marketing, social media posts, or going through and actually starting to create some ads, you want an automated process for actually warming up the leads that you get so that when you do hop on the phone, you're only talking to actually qualified people who already have some sort of rapport built up with you. And so the way you do this is by using something called a lead magnet. So this is going to be some sort of audit, a template, free report, or a planner. It's something of value you can offer inside of your content and your ads in exchange for people's contact information. So I'll link up in the cards in the description to a super deep dive guide that goes through lots of different lead magnet ideas. And when you have a lead magnet, you'll create a simple lead generation funnel using a landing page and then send some emails to follow up with people to let them know that, hey, you should jump on a phone call with me if you found this lead magnet helpful. And I'll also link up in the cards and the description to a crazy deep dive guide to this B2B funnel that shows you how to set all of this up using a free software called Systemi.io. And of course, you can use whatever funnel building software you want to use as well. We'll link up in the description to our free funnel templates so you can get started. So thank you so much for watching. Sincerely hope you got some ideas and some insight into how these different lead generation strategies can be applied to one platform so they actually compound, because I can tell you from personal experience, it really stinks when you're trying to do content in one place, social media in another place, and then ads in another. It's trying to juggle 3 different things at once, as opposed to using a channel and video as your central way to generate leads and start building goodwill in your marketplace so those sales conversations are a whole lot easier. So hit that like button, subscribe for more guides just like this one. We'll try not to stutter next time. And until the next, keep building the business you love.